good evening, everyone. I am Mira Mushtaq, and I am a global educationist, and I am a co-facilitator in Rehan AI Teacher Institutes and Rehan School Online Academy. Today, I am live with my virtual studio named The Reflection Room, where I conduct the review of the TED Talk. Today, I am here to create or to give my review on a TED Talk which I saw today. And the title of the TED Talk is The Turning Trash into Toys for Learning. And the speaker of the TED Talk is Aravind Gupta. It is 14 years old TED Talks. Before going to review this TED Talk, I want to introduce you people with the speaker, or I want to tell you something about the biography of the speaker. I made a list for the biographic points of the speaker. So, one by one, I will discuss his biography. Arvind Gupta is an Indian educator, science educator, and a toy inventor whose life's work has been dedicated to a simple, beautiful idea. And the idea is that the deepest principle of science and the mathematics can be understood by any child through play using the simplest of material. His journey is not one of a traditional academic career, but a path shaped by curiosity, compassion, and a quiet revolution in how we think about learning. His early life and a turning point, he was born in 1953 and he was graduated from Indian Institute of Technology and he is an electrical engineer. Then his life took a decisive turn after graduation. He is inspired by the ideals of Mahatma Gandhi and desire for meaningful work. He chose to join the Hoshangbad Science Teaching Program (SHTP) in rural Madhya Pradesh. 4 years he lived and worked in village schools. It was here he faced a lack of resources problem, but an abundance of curious young minds. That his philosophy was born on this point. He began creating teaching aids and toys from local, low cost, and waste materials to explain complex ideas. Uh, at this point, from this grassroots beginning, his mission grew. He spent a year at the Children's Science Center in Pune, which became a fertile ground for developing hundreds of his iconic toy designs. His first book is in Hindi with the title Kurchi Wale Bal, The Chair Making Child. It is published in 1978 and this book spread his ideas to teachers across the country. Then, for 3 decades, he served as the Inter University Center for Astronomy and Astrophysics IUCAA in Pune, where he led the Children's Science Center. In this role, he conducted workshops for thousands of children and teachers and passionately demonstrating that a matchstick, a straw, or a piece of paper could be a more powerful teaching tool than the most expensive kit. Then his philosophy become more famous and he create a global impact. His core belief is that the best thing a child can do with a toy is to break it. He encourage thinkers, he encourage questions, he encourage hands-on exploration over passive consumptions. His work democratize science, making it accessible, inclusive, and joyful for children in both privileged schools and under-resourced villages. He wrote many books. He wrote 30 books on science activities, and his books are translated in more than 13 Indian languages. One of his most remarkable work is his digital library, perhaps his most significant contribution, that is AryavindGuptaToys.com. It is a vast, free online repository hosting thousands of his toys, designs, videos, and books in multiple languages. It is a treasure trove for educators and parents worldwide. So, He is also recognized with the famous awards, he has been honored with India's highest civilian award, including the Padma Shri in 2018 and the Indira Gandhi Award for popularization of science. He produced a lasting legacy. His biography is not just a record of achievement but a testament to a choice. He chose empathy over ambition, simplicity over complexity, and the spark in a child's eyes over conventional success. He remains at heart a learner and a thinker who shows us that in a world of high tech gadgets, the most profound tools for understanding the universe might just be found in our own hands and in the trash we overlook. So, in his TED talk, what he want to say to the audience, the core message which he shared is that simple and everyday material, often considered trash, but this material hold the potential to become wonderful learning tool. With great enthusiasm, he demonstrates how items like matchsticks, bicycle valves, straw can be transformed into fun toys that explain scientific and design principle. The key takeaway from his talk is a powerful lesson in creativity and resourcefulness. He shows us that profound learning doesn't require expensive kit or labs. It starts with curiosity and the simple joy of making things with your own hands. And it's about seeing the possibilities hidden in ordinary objects and using them to unlock a child's imagination and understanding of the world. So, his work is a beautiful reminder that the best learning often feels like play. I will include some example which I saw in his TED talk he was creating. As he said that you don't need expensive tools to unlock a child's scientific mind. You need curiosity, everyday trash, and the spirit of play. As he explained and show us in the TED talk is the humble matchstick and the geometry. So he started with simple matchsticks and a soft recycled plastic tube. By inserting matchstick into the tube, he creates flexible joints. With this, he builds complex rotating shapes like square, triangle, cubes, and even dynamic dancing models that fold and unfold. What we learn from this example? Uh, this is this is not just a craft. Children visually and physically grasp abstract principles of geometry, structure, and stability. They learn that a cube is made of square and they see how tension and compression works and understand angles through these figures and it makes mathematics tangible and playful. Second story which he shared in the TED talk is the story of a bicycle valve tube. He showed a discarded bicycle valve tube, the inner tube, and a simple loop of rubber. Then, by slicing it into a thin rubber bands, he demonstrated multiple wonders. He tying four bands together and stretching them create a mesmerizing 3D shape called a hyperboloid. And then plucking it make a musical twang introducing vibration and sound. What we learn from it? We learn that from one piece of trash, children discover principles of geometry, sound, sound waves, and material science. So it shows how a single object can be a gateway to multiple scientific concepts depending on how you explore it. One of my best example which I like a lot and I also practice it in my childhood too is the singing straw. In this, he picked the common plastic drinking straw. Then he flattened it one end and cuts it into points to make simple reeds. And then he was blowing through them to create a squeak. Cutting the straw to different length is a playing them together makes a playful makeshift musical instrument. What we learn from it? This is a direct hands on lesson in sound pitch, vibration, and the physics of wind instruments. So, children immediately see here that shorter straws produce higher notes, and it show music and science are interconnected. And he got many examples like the willing polynomial, the deeper lesson we learn from it that democratizing education, the primacy of hands-on learning, and the cultivating a maker's mindset, and the science is playful. Science is not a serious science, but it is a joyful play, and it is very interesting for children. In the essence, Arvind Gupta talk. It is a quite revolutionary. He reminds us that in the act of turning nothing into something, children or a child doesn't just learn about science, but they learn about their own power of shape, their own power of question, and understand the world. So I hope this gentle walk or this gentle TED talk, it is a good example which help us to see the profound simplicity of the science. So it is very, very impressive and learning TED Talk, very simple and very humble. And it is my review about this TED Talk. Thank you very much for watching me or the people who will watch this session in the recording. I will come again with another TED Talk, with another review, with a new idea, new thought to share with you. If you like this learning content and if you enjoy this session, please don't forget to like, comment, and share this with your friends, your family, your siblings, with your students because your support helps me create more valuable content like this. Till then, take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.